accuracy with each new image. The computer learns to recognize cracks on its own. This ability to learn and adapt makes machine learning a powerful tool in maintaining the safety and integrity of our infrastructure.
Computer vision allows computers to see and understand images. This technology enables the automated analysis of visual data, which is crucial for tasks like bridge inspection. It's like giving computers eyes. With this capability, computers can process and interpret visual information, making them invaluable in detecting structural issues that might be missed by the human eye.
Section 5: AI in Action, Real-World Success Stories. AI is already being used to inspect bridges around the world.
In China, drones with AI are used to inspect bridges quickly and efficiently. The drones take pictures, and the AI analyzes them for damage.
In Europe, AI is being used to monitor bridges in real time using sensors. These sensors can detect small changes in the bridge's structure, warning inspectors of potential problems.
Section 6: Safer Bridges, Safer Future. The benefits of AI inspection. Using AI for bridge inspection has many benefits.
AI can make inspections faster and more accurate. This helps to find and fix problems before they become serious. AI can also help save money in the long run by identifying problems early. Most importantly, AI helps keep people safe by making bridges safer.
Section 7: The Road Ahead, AI and the Future of Infrastructure. As we look towards the future, the role of artificial intelligence in shaping our infrastructure cannot be overstated. AI is going to play a big role in the future of infrastructure. From planning and design to construction and maintenance, AI will revolutionize every step of the process.
As AI technology gets even better, we will see more innovative solutions to complex engineering challenges. We can expect even safer and more efficient inspections. AI will enable real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance, reducing the risk of failures. AI will help us build stronger and longer-lasting bridges. These structures will be more resilient to natural disasters and wear and tear.
AI is not just about bridges, it extends to all types of infrastructure. It can be used to inspect other infrastructure like tunnels, ensuring they remain safe and operational. Dams and roads will also benefit from AI, with enhanced monitoring and maintenance capabilities, making our world a safer place. The integration of AI in infrastructure is not just a technological advancement, it's a step towards a more secure and efficient future for all.